Jack, tell Mommy, what do you have?
I have a frog.
You have a froggy?
He's in there.
Tell me about your froggy. Is he big or is he tiny?
He's not bigger.
Can I see him? Can you show the Mommy's phone? Oh, I see him peeking. There he is. Hi. Look at him. What's he doing, Jack?
I don't know. He's
What does he like to do? Don't squeeze him. Open your hand up a little bit. Let him jump. Put your hand out flat. Remember how we do? Let him jump. There you go. Good job.
he's on my leg.
Is he
I want to put
on your arm?
my arm.
Do you want to say good morning to Mammy and Sunshine?
I got froggy.
Oh. All right, and we send it to Mammy and Sunshine to see? You say, I love you.
I love you too.